Hi, today I want to show you my new program which is called leDJ. I'm using the Windows 10 Pro on my laptop. I have already downloaded the file in 7-zip format and extracted here. So before we start it, I want to show you the README file. So you can see there's a list of features and the shortcut keys. So let's go here and start it. Make sure you have already turned on all the lights, and for the first time you have to allow the Java program to access your network. So I think private network should be good enough. Okay, you can see here on the right hand side, you can see here is a text panel and showing the information. You can see there are two lights detected, and one I call it curtain and the other one called string. So, and they are assigned to the functional key F1 and F2. I can activate the light by pressing the key. So F1, F2. Now if I press Ctrl and F key, then it will load the movie list from the device. These are the so-called movies. They are saved effect on the Twinkly app. You can upload it by using the Twinkly app, but I use my GIF sequencer, which allowed me to upload more than 16 effects. I think the app doesn't allow you to do that. Maybe I'm wrong. The other thing I want to show you is I'm not using the playlist here. This is the playlist. I just added those items here. The program will trigger the movies directly from the movie list. That's the list from here. That's the movie list. Now you can see this is a list from the string 400. I can go to the pages. I've got 23 effects. And I can press Ctrl F1, and it will download the one from the curtain. They are very similar. I put the list very similar, and now I can start playing it. This is a page 1 from 3 pages. Let's press 1, and it will send the 1 to the both lights. So basically we'll play the first movie of the 2 lights. So you can see now, and I can press 2. If I turn, I can deactivate the string light. So you can see now it's deactivated. If I press the key here, let's say I play the heart, and it will go to the curtain only because this is the only active device. So you can see the curtain is running hard, and this one hasn't changed at all. So if I go to the next page, I want to play the hearts from this page to the string. I have to turn the string on and turn the curtain off, then press number 3. So you can see this is a different heart from the page 2 and here. So I can, if I now want to go to apply a effect to all of them, I just press Shift without changing the key, without changing the switches here. Let's say if I want to change the effect to fire number 7, and I press the key. Let me go to the first page. This fire is nicer, so I press Shift 7. Then you can see the fire is applied to both, even though the curtain is not active. But because I press the Shift key, it will apply to all the lights. And same thing is there's a If I want to turn it off, now I can press the B for black and shift key, turn off all of them. Now they are all off. The other one I want to show you is for example, I've got two effects here running text. So if I press 1 here, it will go to the string. So you can see it starts from the first frame. If I press 1 again, it will start from the first frame again. That makes sense for running text because you don't want to start the text in the middle. Okay, now I want to show you the other thing as well. If you don't want to run the effect, you can also press the C for color. And at the moment the curtain is not active, I can turn it on and say C, and both are on single color. Or if I don't want to do it using interactive, I can do the playlist. So now both are running playlists. They are I uploaded very similar playlists. They are not exactly the same. Unfortunately, the playlist can only run 16 items. So I think that's all the feature I've got for the version 1. I hope I didn't miss anything. So I hope that works for you. You can download and try it. And if you have any question, or even if it's working well, please let me know. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye.